Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into Avera Health employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you're on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with and on the search URL, type in Avera employee login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on this multiple search results. Now head over to the link that says www.averafoundationsevents.org. So click over there. That will take you to the login portal. Now on this page, scroll down a bit and enter your login credentials. First of all, enter your correct username and under that enter your correct password associated with your account. If you want to save your login credentials for the next time you log in, click on this box that says remember login. Now in case you forgot your password, click on this link provided that says forgotten password, and that will redirect you to next page where you will be able to recover your password. And after that, if you are done typing in your username and your password, click on login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. So this is how you can log into Avera Health employee account. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, comments and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.